Hello, everyone. So, are you looking for an easy way to collect and showcase powerful testimonials? Meet Senja, the ultimate tool for creators to gather social proof, build trust, and boost results. So, with Senja, you can import testimonials from over 30 platforms, collect text and video feedback on autopilot, and display it anywhere, either your website, emails, or socials. And the best part, you can get started for free. So you just simply need to go to the website right here. So I'll put the link on the description below so that you could access the website. You just simply need to click it and open it, and you'll be redirected here on the senja.io website. And what you will need to do is just simply click on sign up for free here on the top right, or start for free today here on the middle part of the website. So just simply click on start for free, then wait for it to load. Now, once it's opened up, you could either enter your email, then enter your password, or you could sign up with Google. So for me, I'm just going to sign up with Google. And if you already have an account, you could skip this part. After you have logged in, you will be brought right here to this page. So welcome to Senja. What's your first name? So they'll use it to personalize your experience. So I'm just going to put my name right here. After that, just simply click on continue. Then a question will be asked. So what do you want to sell more of? So we'll send you tips to grow faster with Senja. So is it courses, SaaS subscriptions, physical products, or e-com? Then coaching calls, digital products, live events, sponsorships, services, memberships, and other things right there. So just simply select the one that you're selling or the one that you want to sell more of. So for me, I'm gonna go with services right here. Then after that, click on continue again. And here you'll be redirected. So hi Keon, what website, product, or service do you want to collect testimonials for? So you can just simply input the website URL. After you've input your website, they will create a project for you. So you just simply need to wait. After that, this will show you all of these options. So this is just a few of the hundreds of images, widgets, walls of love, and social videos you can create with Senja. So as you can see, these are all the examples that they have shown. So I'm just going to click on continue. Then you will be brought here. So do you want to remove branding, collect unlimited testimonials, use a custom domain, automate collection, or invite your team, and consider. So you should consider a paid plan if you want all of those options or features. So as you can see right here, if you go to the monthly options, it's $29 a month and $59 a month for the pro plan. And for the yearly plan, you can get 17% off. So from 29, it will be 24, and from 59, it will be 49 right here. So what the starter plan includes unlimited testimonials, 3 forms, 1 project, 2 included seats, and everything get for free. Plus these options or features right here, which is a spin the wheel, which is collect twice as many testimonials with gamified rewards. Next are the custom domains, word of mouth, testimonial autosync, HD video exports, Zapier integration. So you could also use your own branding, Pro widgets, and API and webhooks. And for the Pro plan, you can get unlimited testimonials also, unlimited forms, 5 projects, which is $10 a month per extra project that you will take, and 5 included seats, $5 a month for extras, and everything in the starter for the starter plan, plus these team access, which snippets, and the translate right here. So you could automatically translate your testimonials into 20 languages, or you could just continue for free if you want. So if you want to just test it out first, you could just simply go to continue for free right here. Once that's done, you will be brought here. And as you can see, you could also download the Senja Chrome extension. So I'm just gonna skip that for now. And let's go to the collect section first. So with the forms section. So these are forms which used to collect testimonials and feedback from your customers. So what I input earlier is my Facebook website URL. So these this is the generated plan, or I mean generated form for me, which Senja did. So let's click on edit to add the form, and we will be brought right here. So as you can see, there's a preview right there which you could check out. So of course this will be different for you if you've input a different website, but for me I have this since the one that I've input is my Facebook account. As you can see right here, these are the buttons, interactive buttons that you could check. There's also a preview right here on the top. Then submit. And here are the settings. So auto transcribe video testimonials. You could set that to enable just by simply clicking on it, and auto approve testimonials. You could also check that by clicking on the button right there. So going back to edit right here, you can actually change the text right here on the page or the rating page. Or do you enjoy using Facebook? So let's say I want to change it to how was your experience? And as you can see, it will be changed immediately here on the preview, which is basically live preview. So that's why you could change it, or that's why the change is happening already. So let's say, how was our experience? So something like that. And on a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate us? You could also change that if you want, and you could also have it like this or idolized if you want. And you could also change the submit text right here. You could remove that, but of course we will want to add that. But if you could put any text that you want for that, and you could also change the design right here. You'll go to design and you could change the Facebook logo. You could upload your own avatar. So I've uploaded one from my computer right here, which is the boomerang logo. And you could also change the primary color. But of course, for Facebook, the one color that suits it is this color, which is the blue one. And of course, depending on your page or your color theme for your website, you could change out the color. And you could also change the font for the heading font right here. So you could go to DM Sans or whatever you want actually. So the default is this one. You could think DM Sans looks great, right? And for the body font, you could also change that to whatever you want. You go to this Aura or Crimson text, just like that. Say I'm gonna go with insert right here. And that's good. And also if you click on something, you will be brought to that particular element in the edit panel. So let's say I was on design. Let's say I want to change something here on the ratings. So you will be brought in, the part that you want to edit will be highlighted. So I was here, then I'll click on this one, it will be highlighted, which is pretty great so that you could change some things immediately without having to check out all of the parts, or without having to find where the right section is. So next, you could also check out the negative feedback page right here. So sorry to hear that. I'm sorry you don't like our product. Can you share what went wrong? Or you could also change the things right here. You could change the size of the bar if you want, and the preview, as you can see. But let's say I change it to, so just simply click on save changes if you want to check it out here on the preview. So I'm going to click on save changes. I'm going to go to preview. As you can see, it has been changed already. So let's say 5 stars, submit, and you will be brought right here. Send a testimonial. And if you want to edit out the testimonial page first, or the testimonial page that you want to edit, you'll go back to edit right here, then find the testimonial page. So as you can see right here, leave me testimonial. So you could edit that out too. So let's say I'm going to click on this and you will be brought right here. So just make sure that the page locks to that part or section. As you can see, it won't go to the other one if you're just simply scrolling or something. So make sure that it locks so that the edit panel will change just like this. So you could change a page title, subtitle, call to action, welcome video message. So you will need to upgrade your plan to record a welcome video for your form, which is very helpful so that customers will be more engaged if you have a welcome video for your form. There's also a reward message. So leave a testimonial to receive a reward if you want to add it or something like that. Also a timing message and consent message, just like so. So you could edit out all of these that you want. So here are the questions. Introduce yourself and share why you love our product. So you will need to record the video, something like that. And if I click on allow, there will be something like this, and just simply need to record. And let's say you're done editing everything. So there's all of these sections right here: consent page, about you page, about company page, ready to send page. So let's say you're done editing it down and you want to check it. So just simply click on save changes first, then go to preview. And also what's pretty good about this is that there's a desktop and mobile view. So you could change it to desktop and mobile view so that you will know what it will look like when it's on desktop and mobile. And if you want to change something for mobile, just simply go to edit right here so that you can change something that would help people or mobile users to have a better experience or something. Let's say I'm gonna go with the desktop right here. So click on 5 stars, click on submit, and we'll be brought here on leave me a testimonial. So send a testimonial. You can respond with either text or a video. So let's say I want to go with a text first. Let's say I'm just gonna say my experience was amazing. Something like that. Then click on submit. Then after that, what was it like getting started with us? You could record the video, you could respond with text again, and just simply put random. So this is just an example. It's amazing. Do you have any private feedback? None. Submit. You could remove these sections if you want. So if you don't want these other ones, you just simply need to click on the button right here. So as you can see, it's pretty many. So if you don't want these questions, just simply click on the ones right there. So I'm gonna disable everything right here. Question 2. Maybe I'm just gonna go with question 1. So this I'm gonna remove. So are you sure you want to delete this question? This action is permanent. So you could always add one if you want, like this. So if you click on add question, there will be a lot of templates that you could choose from. So what do you think about a certain aspect of our product? What problem was your business facing? And there are other categories right here, which is pretty convenient. And I don't see this option or feature in other testimonial tools out there. So this is pretty unique and great. So there might be some that has this feature, but as I'm currently using this, it's pretty amazing and it's user friendly. It's very user friendly. So there's the categories right here, which like course, newsletter, SaaS, e-commerce, freelancer, community, and employee, just like that. And I'm just like, simply exit out of this. So the ones that I will use are these ones first. Maybe these four ones. So I'm gonna click on save changes, go back to preview. Let's say I rated 1 star. Submit, and as you can see, it will automatically bring them to the negative feedback page. So sorry to hear that. I'm sorry you don't like our product. Just gonna go back again. I'm gonna rate 5 stars, submit, and a testimonial, respond with text. It was my experience was amazing. Click on submit. And about you, share a little about yourself. Of course, you will need the name and your email and your photo if you want, but for me, I'm good. And happy with your testimonial, click submit to send it. So just simply click on submit. So this is what it will look like for the customers. You could also check the mobile view if you want, and it looks just like this. So once you're done, that should do it. And you could just simply click on save and share right here. And save form successfully, invite your customers already in Senja. Or invite using email, invite in bulk via CSV, invite MailChimp. So there are a lot of integrations that you could use. So HubSpot, you invite with HubSpot, invite high-level contacts, invite active campaign contacts, invite Klaviyo subscribers, invite Beehive subscribers, invite Flowdesk subscribers. You could also request an integration. So if you click on that, you will be brought here on the feedback section for Senja. And you could also share the link to somewhere. Let's say your form link. There's the form link, which you could copy and send. You could also add a custom domain, share it on your socials, or you could share your form's QR code, which could also make the the use of your testimonials very convenient. Then next is the embed. So you could embed your form on your website to collect testimonials. So this is the code snippet, and you could either pick from inline and modal right here, and embed style. You could go with styled or unstyled. You can also add it to course. So collect student testimonials inside the course. You could also automate your testimonial collection with Senja and Zapier right here. So you can see the API key and connect this app right there. So going back to collect, so as you can see right here, you could create invites and also the feedbacks right here. So you can see feedback collected from your customers and see invites from customers who you've invited to leave a testimonial. And from your testimonial earlier, so you could copy the link of this particular form. You could also share it with someone. You could also duplicate it with someone, which is great. And you could also pause it for the moment so that you won't receive any testimonials, or you could also delete it right here, and you could also like it right there. And let's go to the import section. So you could import your proof from 30 sources. You could auto import, connect to 21 platforms, and Senja will automatically import your new proof. So you could import from web, upload spreadsheet, manual import, and migrate right here. So paste your testimonial.to wall of love URL, and Senja will import your proof. Next is the auto collect one. So you could connect all of the accounts right here. So AutoCollect automatically invite customers to leave you a testimonial at the perfect moment. So invites will show in Senja and will handle the reminders too. So they'll handle everything for you. So we have the categories right here to check out courses, CRM, customer support, email, and memberships. And next is the manage section. So the proof. So you will need to import the testimonials first. So and you could also invite a customer, and we have the tags right here, and it's just share. So like I said earlier, we have the collect. You could collect, manage, and share your testimonials with Senja. So we're on the share section now. So Social Proof Studio. So all of the widgets and walls of love you save will show up right here. You can also check out the brand right here. So save global colors, logos, and fonts with the brand kit, and also the rich snippet right there. And there's also this analyze page. So what your customers love about you. So using AI, so Sanjo will have insights from 6 words of customers and of customer language in one of your latest testimonials. And we have the automate section right here also. So receive notifications. You get a Slack notification when you receive a new testimonial, get a Microsoft Teams notification when you receive a new testimonial, and get a Discord notification when you receive a new testimonial, and get a Telegram notification when you receive a new testimonial. So there are a lot of things right here. So also share testimonials on socials and send thank yous, export testimonials back up. And here I'll show you something if you have a testimonial already, or I mean a proof. So as you can see, I've just answered it, and this is what it will look like if someone have answered your form, and it will be put right here on your proof. So as you can see right here, it says unapproved right there. But if you click on it, and this will pop up. So this menu will pop at the bottom. So you can either tag, translate, analyze, share, export, and approve right there. So as you can see, there's a translate button right here. So let's say your customer is on another country. So you could just simply translate it so that you could understand it, which is very helpful on the get-go since it's easy to access. So it's just there. So you just simply translate. If you want to approve that testimonial, you can just simply click on approve right here. And as you can see, it is now approved. And if you click on Magic Maker right here, there are options to transform testimonials into powerful marketing assets. So you could copy link, get the shareable link to your testimonial that you can paste anywhere, transform a testimonial into a comprehensive case study, and add to widget. So add this testimonial to a widget for your website or landing page. You'd also share it on LinkedIn, and you could add it to Wall of Love. So feature this testimonial on your Wall of Love showcase. So let's say I want to add it to my Wall of Love right here. And here you will need to create a Wall of Love. So here I'm just gonna name it test and click on create Wall of Love and wait for it to load. And boom, you will be redirected right here where you could change or click on templates that you like. So I'm just gonna find some templates right here. So I think this one is also good. This one is good. This one too. I like this one. It's animated and stuff. I like the color on this one too, but I'm gonna go with this one. And if you click on design, you could change the logo size and the logo right here. So you could change the highlight color, the primary color. So you could also change the font if you want. You could also disable the heart animation. So there will be no hearts right there, but for me, that's pretty good. You could also show the testimonial titles and show ratings, infinite scroll, just like that. And column count, you can change the column count and the page title. So it's subtitle and also CTA title and everything right here. And if you want to go with the custom domain, you will need to upgrade your plan. You could also remove the Senja branding and also the custom CSS right here, but you will need to upgrade to a plan right there. And next, you can also select testimonials that you want. So for me, I only have one, so that's why I can only choose this. And there are filters right here. Highlights, only show testimonials with highlights, or you could also set it to video testimonials. So let's say I'm good with my testimonials or with my wall of love rather. And you could also click on continue to design right here if you're from templates. So just simply go to continue to design. But once that's all done and you like your wall of love, you simply need to click on save changes. And once that's done, go to share. And now you could share your wall of love. So you could copy the link, share it on your socials, add it to a custom domain, and you could also embed it with your website. So once you're done, you could click on done. So that's basically it for like a general overview of Senja. And if you're ready to turn happy customers into your best marketing tool, you might want to give Senja a try. So it's very simple, powerful, and free to get started. I had fun using it. So hit the link below to sign up and start collecting testimonials that actually drive results. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creator tools like this, and I'll see you on the next one.